with a day at the beach. Today I'm at the beach with my family. The sun is shining. The sky is blue. The water is blue. The sand is brown and hot. My brother and I make a castle in the sand. My father helps us build the castle. My mother finds beautiful shells for us to put on top of our castle. It's a great day at the beach. What should we call our castle? A lot of socks. Have you ever thought about socks? Do you know they have been around for thousands of years? They keep our feet warm and cozy. We wash them, dry them, and sometimes fix them. Take a look at how many socks you have at home. Now think about how many socks there must be in the world. There must be a lot of feet. These are my favorite socks. Who likes cake? On Saturdays, we go to Grandma's house. Today is Saturday. Grandma and I are making a cake. The cake is pink. We put white sugar on top and 4 candles. Why? It's my little sister's 4th birthday. Can I do it, Grandma? Big snow days. Every winter, we have big snow days. When it's snow day at night, we can have snow up to the windows. On these days, no one can go to school. No one can go to work. What do? We play. We play games. We make hot chocolate. We watch the snow fall. When it starts snowing, we go outside and make a big snowman. Look at our snowman. My cat. I have a cat. Her name is Spot. She is big and soft. She is white with black spots. She likes milk. She drinks milk from a bowl. She likes to sit at the window and look outside. She likes to watch the birds in the trees. Sometimes she sleeps all day. Does a cat dream? Maybe. Bye-bye.